cook rice in a pot. First, prepare all the ingredients and kitchen equipment. Measuring cup, rice, pot, strainer, and stove. Then wash your hands properly. Second, measure 2 cups of rice and put it in the pot. This may already be good for 4 people. Rinse the rice with enough water and stir with clean hands. Cloudy water down the sink with the aid of the strainer. This can be done 3 times. Using the same cup, measure enough water. Usually, the ratio is 2 cups of water is to 1 cup of rice. We Ilocanos often use our fingers. We're now ready to cook it. Cover the pot and put it on the stove at medium heat. Wait for it to boil. When it boils, turn to low heat to simmer for 10 minutes. The stove off, but keep the lid on to let the steam finish cooking for another 10 minutes. Cooking rice with the rice cooker is much easier. Follow the same steps in cooking in a pot but use less water. As a guide, add the same amount of water as the amount of rice, plus 1/4 cup of water. Let's cook it. Make sure to wipe the outer surface of the pot. Check that the inner pot is properly placed in the heater plate. Plug in the outlet and press press the switch with the light indicator. The light will automatically turn off once the rice is finished cooking. Don't forget to unplug after. Gently and carefully fluff the rice before serving. Happy eating! Kids can cook.